The Tassimo Bosch Suny Special Edition TAS 3102GB coffee machine is a sleek and stylish coffee pot machine that offers easy one-button operation with its Smart Start feature. This feature eliminates the need for heating up the machine before brewing and makes it a breeze to get your desired drink in seconds. This coffee machine is designed for coffee lovers who crave coffee shop favorites at home. With over 70 drinks from 11 well-known brands, you can indulge in your favorite Costa Latte, cappuccino, or tasty Cadbury's hot chocolate at the touch of a button. Thanks to Tassimo IntelliBrew technology, the machine reads the drink's unique barcode and adjusts the amount of water, brewing time, and temperature to make the perfect cup every time. Additionally, the brewing takes place within the tea disc capsule, ensuring there's no flavor mixing between cups. Tassimo Suny coffee machine is not only stylish and compact in design but also energy efficient with an automatic shut-off function and only heating the required amount of water on demand for each drink. Moreover, this coffee machine has a flexible cup stand that is height adjustable and can be removed completely, making it suitable for all cups, glasses, and mugs. Overall, if you're looking for a coffee machine that is easy to use, offers a wide variety of drinks, is compact in design, and is energy efficient, the Tassimo Bosch Suny Special Edition TAS 3102GB coffee machine is an excellent choice. Designed and made by Bosch, it comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty for peace of mind.